Namaste, how are you guys? So ever since I started my channel, I just wanted to make this video, that is Sarojini Nagar Hall, and finally the video is here. So in the month of September, like end of September, I visited Delhi for an event, Google Allo event, and then the next day I was kind of free, so I thought of visiting Sarojini Nagar, but I wasn't sure because firstly I saw a couple of videos which said like, Sarojini Nagar is closing down and stuff, so I didn't want to, waste my time. But then I really so badly wanted to visit Sarojini Nagar because of the halls that I see on YouTube. So I finally decided. So me and Devashi went there and we had so much fun, and I just got this bag full of clothes from there, and I just cannot wait to share it with you guys. And also everything that I got is under 400 rupees, like not altogether, like each piece of clothing is under 400 rupees or something. I don't really remember the price because I got it long back, and I'm sorry the haul is coming out late because of some reason, you guys know it, maybe. But yeah, so whatever. Now without further ado, we should just get started with this video. So when I first went there, I just got this bag because I had nothing to put my clothes in, like I did not take a shopping bag with me, so I got this bag from there as well. So everything is literally from Sarojini Nagar. And the first thing that I saw when I entered the market is this sweater, and you guys will obviously know why I got this. It's because it's pink and it's ombre, and oh my god, it's like perfect for Mumbai winters because it's really thin, and it's from H&M, and I got this for like 150 bucks. I was like dying literally because you don't get such stuff in Mumbai like Colaba or Hill Road somewhere. So that's why I got super happy. So the next thing that I got from the same stall is this dress, and it has like this high-low hem, and it's lacy, and it's pretty basic from the top, like yeah. But I really love the color. Like I don't have anything in this color. Plus, this was only for 150 rupees. So I just had to get my hands on this, and this is like the first and only dress that I got from Sarojini Nagar. Rest everything is sweaters, so not everything, pretty much everything. Then later on I went inside the market, like actually inside the market, and I saw some shop out there which were like pretty much selling everything denim jackets, overalls, skirts, and all that. So I don't have a denim jacket. I mean, I did not have a denim jacket, and I wanted one really badly. I saw one at Forever 21 for like 2,400, and Devashi said it wasn't really worth the price, so I did not get it. And thank God I did not get it because I found this denim jacket out there and it fits perfectly. It's like distressed, and this was for I guess 300 or 400 rupees only. I went crazy. I was like, what? I did not want a distressed one, but something is better than nothing, so I got it anyway. And then later on I went ahead and saw another store, something similar like that, and found this one. This is my favorite denim jacket, and I already wore it like a couple of times. It's pretty basic light blue denim jacket, and it's like perfect according to my size. I got this for like 350 I guess, but I mean totally worth the price, guys. Like denim jackets are so costly here, and plus I never found a denim jacket at Colaba Causeway or Hill Road, so thank you Sarojini Nagar. I got so happy after getting this, and I was like, yeah, my trip is successful, like literally. And from the same denim store that I got my last jacket from, I got this denim skirt. Now I had a really good denim skirt when I was a child, and I'm so happy they are coming back. Like even if they didn't come back, I would still get this because #denim skirt lover. I don't know. So yeah, it's pretty basic and it fits perfectly. I was like really worried because you can't try stuff out there. Okay, moving on. The next thing that I got is this cropped sweater which says POW, and it's pretty plain from the back, but the front is pretty amazing. And the sweater is like thick, so it might not be perfect for like winter is not even here in Bombay. Like I'm so upset I don't get to wear my jackets and everything that I got from Shein, Romwe, or now Sarojini. Moving on, the next two things that I got are these two shirts which I could have easily found here in Mumbai, but since I was there I just had to get it. And I really wanted a red shirt like this since a really long time, and I really did not find it here. And here they were like selling it for 250 something, 250, 300. So I found this for 200 rupees out there and I loved it, so I got this. And the next shirt that I got is this white shirt with pink in it, and yeah, it's really soft, like the material is softer than the red one. So I got this as well, and I got both of them for 200 rupees each. Okay, the next thing that I got, you guys aren't even ready for this, okay, like seriously. I got this sweater in mint color and it is from Topshop. Oh my god, you guys, I wish I could actually just let you feel this sweater from the screen because it is so soft. Oh my god, it's literally like a blanket. So the moment I saw this, it was like literally love at first sight, and I just wanted this thing in my life because oh my god, it's so soft. And guess what's the price? Like, pause the video right now and go in the comment section below and comment the price and then come and play this video. Come on, do this. Okay, done. So I got this sweater for 150 rupees only. My cheeks hurt, I'm smiling so much, but this is my newfound love, like, guys. I cannot stop talking about this. Moving on, the next thing that I got is this tunic, and oh my god, it's pretty boho, and I don't own anything like this, and I quite liked it, so I got this. Plus it's from Billabong, and that guy was just not ready to bargain, so I just got this for 300 rupees. Moving on, the next thing that I got is this medium length cardigan in the color charcoal, and you know, this is like, you know, for one of those days where you don't know what to wear and you know you are feeling cold, so you can just throw this on and you know, like, be ready kind of day. I got this for 200 rupees and I thought it was worth the price, so yeah, I got this. The next thing that I got is also my favorite, and it's this white lace shorts, and I was searching for this since past like 1 year or so, and I even found it at Bandra Hill Road, but that guy was selling it for like 400 rupees and was not ready to bargain at all. So I found this at Sarojini Nagar for only 150 rupees. Like, what even? So I just had to get it. The next thing that I got is this top. It's like mustard yellow color with a navy blue heart in it, and oh my god, I love how the heart extends from the bottom. And I really don't own anything in this color, so I thought, you know, it will be like a nice purchase, and I just got this for 250 rupees, I guess. Yeah. So after purchasing all this stuff, my bag was like literally full, but I wasn't full, like I wasn't satisfied because I felt like, you know, I did not purchase enough tops. It was more sweater, jackets and all that stuff. So I got these 2 tops for myself, and the first one is this. I don't know what all colors are in here. You guys can see it. It's pretty basic top and plain from the back. It says it's from Vero Moda. The second one also says it's from Vero Moda. I like this one better. I don't know why. It has like this navy blue flowers, and it's also pretty plain basic from the back. The last thing that I got from Sarojini Nagar is this tattoo choker with beads in it, and I got this for like 20 rupees. So yeah, that's it for this haul. I really hope you guys like it. I loved Sarojini Nagar, and if you guys, you know, get the chance to visit Delhi, please do visit Sarojini Nagar. It's like a paradise for street shoppers like us. Now comment down below and let me know what item did you like the most from this haul. And my favorite has to be this blanket. Obviously it's not a blanket, but it feels like a blanket, so I'm just gonna call it a blanket. So yeah, whatever. That's my favorite. Now don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!